Which of the following statements are correct regarding foreign direct investments, FDI? Cash is also permissible mode of payment. Any investment in an unlisted entity also can be treated as FDI. Cash is also permissible mode of payment. Any investment in an unlisted entity also can be treated as FDI. Both A and B, neither A nor B. Explanation. Correct answer. Statement 1 is incorrect. Under FEMA regulations, foreign direct investment, FDI, into India must be received through approved banking channels, not in cash. Statement 2 is correct. Investment by a non-resident in equity instruments, like shares or compulsorily convertible debentures, preference shares, of an Indian company, whether listed or unlisted, is treated as foreign direct investment, provided it meets the definition of FDI thresholds or control criteria where applicable. Key point: FDI is defined as the investment by a non-resident entity into an Indian company or LLP, primarily through equity instruments. The mode of remittance must be through authorized